So here's a question for SPD and the Seattle Department of Transportation. They put in signage stating no vehicle or traffic west of Rainier, and all the drivers are ignoring it. Well, about most of them are. Some of them are turning onto Hiawatha, which is all residential. Traffic's now worst I've ever seen, and it isn't even peak hour yet. Got cars driving over the marked bike-ped path that are going eastbound. I'm on Dearborn South between Rainier, which is over there, and Hiawatha Pl South. They just put this in over the last few days: do not enter except bicycles. But as you see, probably half or more of the drivers are ignoring the signage. Jeez. Just crazy. Where's this driver going? This sign here with a little type here. There's one here and there's one over there. It doesn't make any sense. Even if the drivers can read it, it doesn't make any sense. Westbound Dearborn closing for drivers at Rainier. Well, it's not closed at Rainier at all. It's closed just in this little section between Hiawatha Pl South and Rainier. And it actually isn't closed because the driver's just proceeding through. They're all ignoring the signage.